In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to number rows in Excel. By the end, you'll know a quick, reliable way to create row numbers that update automatically as your sheet changes. Start by opening your worksheet and choosing the column where you want the numbers to appear. Click the first cell where you want your numbering to begin, typically the first data row under your header. Selecting the right starting cell is important because the formula we'll use returns the position of that cell on the sheet. With that cell active, type the formula exactly like this, equals ROW, then open and close parentheses. In other words, type ROW and make sure you include the parentheses, even though there's nothing inside them. The equals sign tells Excel you're entering a formula, row is the function name, and the parentheses finalize it. Press Enter. You'll immediately see a number appear in the cell. That number is the actual row number of the cell on the worksheet. For example, if you place the formula in row 2, you'll see 2. This is the core of automatic row numbering. Excel reads its own row index and displays it for you. To extend the numbering down your list, copy the formula to the rest of the cells in that column. You can drag the fill handle from the bottom right corner of the cell or copy and paste. Each row will update on its own, so you'll get a clean, continuous sequence. If you want your numbering to start at 1, even though your first data row is not row 1 on the sheet, subtract an offset. For data starting on row 2, use row U1. If your first data row is row 5, use row U4. The idea is simple. Subtract the row number just above your first data row, so the first result becomes 1. For a version that adapts automatically if you move the table, reference the first data row directly. Place the formula in your first numbering cell and use ROW, A2, the 1, replacing A2 with the address of your first data row in the numbering column. Now the sequence starts at 1 regardless of where the table sits on the sheet. If you need permanent, non-formula numbers, copy the filled column and paste values to replace the formulas with static numbers. That's it. Click the cell, type each row, press Enter, and then fill it down. You now have fast, flexible row numbering that keeps itself accurate as your data grows.